Welcome to VR Interphysics channel. If you like the video, like it, share it and subscribe my channel for next upcoming videos. Today's topic is simple microscope. Hi, today we are going to discussing topic about simple microscope. In our daily life, in so many industries, we are using this simple microscope, especially in the pharmaceutical companies. So here it consists, actually you are observing the one ray diagram for the simple microscope. It consists a convex lens which has the short focus. So here by this convex lens it increases the angle of eye to see the object clearly, and it is called like as a magnifying glass and reading glass also. So the another name is magnified glass or the reading glass. So here how it will be constructed. So once observe, one convex lens will be consist in the simple microscope and the object will be placed within the principal focus of the convex lens. So here OJ is the object. It is placed within the principal focus. So you are observing the focus F. So within the principal focus the object is placed. So by adjusting the object within the principal focus, at the near point the image will be forms in the simple microscope. So here the image characters will, here you are observing the IG. IG is the image. So here the image characters are, it is the visual and erect and magnified. So IG is the placed at that side of object, it will be forms at the side of object and it will be visual, erect and magnified. So this is about the construction of the simple microscope. So here we have to derive the magnifying power for the simple microscope. So it will be represented letter by M, small m. So what is the definition of magnifying power? So it is the ratio angle subtended by the image at our eye to the angle subtended by the object at our eye is called magnifying power. So once again, it is the ratio between angle subtended by the image at our eye to the angle subtended by the object at our eye is called magnifying power. So the equation will be writes m is equals to alpha by beta. So means alpha means it will be angle subtended by image, and beta is the angle subtended by the object where at our eyes. So where the person is observing to that eyes. So here I am taking the tan at the both sides, tan alpha by tan beta. So by substituting these two values, tan alpha and tan beta, in the equation we will get the equation for the simple microscope of magnifying power. So here once observe, OJ is the object and IG is the image. So IG taking the angle alpha and OJ is equal to the IJ dash. So IJ dash is angle is beta. So here by the ray diagram we have to write the tan alpha and the tan beta. So first of all for that one I am taking the IG O dash. So what is the triangle? IG O dash. So for this triangle I am writing tan alpha. So tan alpha means opposite side by adjacent side. So what is the opposite side? IG. And what is the adjacent side? IO dash. So here this is the first equation. And next triangle, here IJ dash O dash. So second triangle is the IJ dash O dash. So from this equation I am writing tan beta. Tan beta also same, opposite side by adjacent side. So opposite means IJ dash and adjacent means same, IO dash. So substituting the first and second values in the magnifying power, it's easy to find the value. So m is equals tan alpha. Tan alpha means in the first equation we will write IG by IO dash by tan beta. Tan beta means IJ dash by IO dash. In the up and downs, here we are finding IO dash is the same. So both will be cancelled. So we will get Ig by Ij dash. But once observe, the height of the Ij dash is equal to the height of the object. So it means OJ. OJ is the object. So I am writing Ig by OJ. So this is the third equation. Why? Because Ij dash is equal to the OJ from the diagram. So I got the M is equal to Ig by OJ. So here I am taking the two triangles, two similar triangles. One is IGO dash, second one is the OJO dash. So it means one triangle is formed by the image and one triangle is formed by the object. So IGO dash is the triangle formed by the image and OJO dash triangle formed by the object. So by this both similar triangles, what I am writing, IGO dash and OJO dash. What I am writing here, IG is equal to the OJ. So it means height of the image and height of the object. So what I am writing, IG by OJ. It is equal to the, I am taking the two opposites in the triangles. Now I am taking the two adjacents. IO dash. So IGO dash in the triangle. IO dash is the adjacent. By OJO dash is equal to the OO dash. So here what I am taking, in the both triangles, two opposite sides is equal to the two adjacent sides. So in these two triangles, IG by OJ, IO dash by OO dash. So two opposite sides ratio and two adjacent sides ratio. So here once observe, IO dash. I means it is the image. O means pole. So it is the distance between the lens to the image. So here we are taking the point D. And next one is the OO dash. So O means OJ is the object. So this is the distance between the object to the pole. So it means U. So these both are equal to the D by U. So this is the fourth equation. So by the third and fourth equations, LHS we have to find out IG by OJ. Here also IG by OJ. IG by OJ value is equal to the D by U. So I am substituting these value in the third equation. So what is the third equation? M is equal to IG by OJ. But IG by OJ is equal to the D by U. So by this equation what we are getting? M is equal to D by U. So this is the magnifying power for the simple microscope. So here what is this one? The ratio distance by the image to the distance by the object. Simply we have to find out easily in the simple microscope. And here this formula likes also 1 plus D by F also. 1 plus D by F. Why we have to write this one? Here we know for the lens formula 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. So by this equation here once observe, M is equal to D by U. So it means D into 1 by U. So 1 by U means 1 by U comes to the left side. So then what happens? 1 by V minus 1 by F. So I am substituting that value 1 by V minus 1 by F. So by sending D to the inner side, D by V minus D by F. But V is also equal to the D. We know already that one. So D by D minus D by F. D will be cancelled. So we will get 1 minus D by F. So but here by applying the sign convention, D is at the side of left. So we will write that 1 minus of D by F. So we will get 1 by D plus F. So this is the another equation for the magnifying power for the simple microscope. One is the M is equal to D by U and second one is the M is equal to 1 plus D by F. So these both equations are the magnifying power for the simple microscope. And there is another microscope is the compound microscope. So what is the difference this both? In the simple microscope, it's easy very to see the object clearly. But in the compound microscope, it is easy to see the object very clearly. So that is the difference between the simple microscope and the compound microscope. In our next session, we will discuss about the compound microscope. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, like it, share it and subscribe my channel for next upcoming videos.